Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making a very quick, easy, simple and delicious pasta recipe with ragù. So with me here I have my pasta. This is the one I'm going to be using. You can use any pasta of your choice. And here is my ragù. I'm going to be using 2 of these. Then I have this curry leaf blended stuff. I have this type of ragù as well, and I'm going to be adding some curry powder, some paprika, Cameroon pepper. You can use any chili pepper of your choice. Here is my olive oil, extra virgin. I have 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 onion and half of a red bell pepper. Now let's start cooking. So as you can see here, I already started boiling some water, and to that I added some salt, and I'm going to be adding my pasta. Now cover the pot and allow it to cook halfway through. And while that is cooking, I'm going to chop up my bell pepper, my fresh tomatoes and my onion. Okay, back to the pot. The pasta has been cooking for about 10 minutes now. Well, I'm not sure if it's up to 10 minutes, but as you can see here, it wasn't that easy for me to, break it into 2. So that means I cooked it perfectly. It shouldn't be very soft. Okay, just halfway through, because you don't want your pasta to be soggy, mushy and too soft basically. So now with that same pot I added some olive oil, and then I added my onion. I fried the onion for a minute, and then I added my fresh tomatoes and my bell pepper. Mix it, and then I add my seasoning powder, and I'm going to be using aromat. You can use any seasoning powder or any seasoning cube of your choice. Now I allowed that to cook for 5 minutes, and then I went ahead to add my curry powder, my paprika and my chili pepper. That's the Cameroon pepper. After I mixed everything together, I went ahead to pour in my ragù. I told you guys I was going to be using 2 bottles. As you saw now, I added 2 bottles, and I added the other type of ragù. I added a teaspoon of the blended mixed curry leaves. And then I rinsed the bottle, poured in the water, mixed everything together. I tasted it and everything was okay, like perfect. And then I covered it and allowed it to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I went ahead and add my pasta. Now once you add the pasta, you want to stand there and mix it for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, so that everything can marry each other, like mix well. So that's it guys, and I want you guys to try this recipe. It was so good, so yummy and so delicious. Everyone that tasted it loved it.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.